Conclusion: students are engaged and they like to attend the class. By using ICT, students are engaged and they like to attend the class. It's from my side, sir. Thank you very much.
Madam?
Yes.
You are given a brief introduction of the ICT, how it can be used. Now, what we would like to know, which one you have done in the class, make them understand. Specifically, second standard, you are telling some sort of creativity is involved. What sort of creativity you have done in the classroom?
Yes, sir.
So that children have understood deeply, yes. You use the word deeply. Could you please throw light on that?
Yes, sir. This is my personal opinion that whatever they learned inside the classroom, they should apply that outside the classroom. I always means like that opinion. My always what they learn outside that also they should through their observation they should use it inside the classroom also. So many creative whatever creativity we shown to them. Am I audible, sir?
Now it is only clear now. Visual, you're telling visual, you know, what made the visuality actually visual? What the children have seen it made it visual. That part, yes, could you please tell us now? Put it if you have made a PPT.
Yes, sir. Visualization is very important.
Okay.
Some students visually they can understand very nicely. It's very fast.
Which concept you made visualization? Would you like to see that one, that part? We don't want theory part, madam. Which one we have made a visualization so the children understood?
A story, if it is in the story form by using Tata classes, so many stories are there that also.
What kind of story? What concept? What kind of story?
Yes, it is mathematical based stories are there on Tata classes that I'm showing to students. As I would like to tell you one that story. Ria goes to a post office. She collects some tickets, 2-3 tickets. Her friend also collects 5 tickets. So together, how much they have collected. So like that, additions are there. If they have seen that addition fact visually, then they will understand that yes, now we have to add that 2, Riaz 2 and that Rams 3. So by seeing also they can add that number properly. So and a word problem also they can make by seeing that video.
Word problem, you mean statement problem, correct? Khalid sir, Dr. Khalid sir, now you can, sir, please. Mine is over.
Hello, Mamaji.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, I couldn't find anything related to mathematics in your presentation. They were the general information of ICT, but any specific regarding mathematics, I couldn't find it from your presentation.
Yes, sir. In mathematics, I'm using all that tools. This whatever just now I have shown as tools that all I have used to teach in the mathematics.
You have used the separate sheets in the ICT room in class mathematics?
Yes, sir. Teacher Connect I'm using.
Okay, what are the benefits of
whiteboard
that?
also I'm using because whiteboard F5. The student can assess also. If I have given give them one word problem or any problem, then they will also solve there, and that
No. I'm telling you the benefits of separate sheets. Total. Tell me 5 benefits of separate sheets.
Sorry, sir. Can you please?
5 benefits of separate sheets.
5 benefits of
separate sheet.
Spreadsheets.
Separate sheet, yeah.
Yes, sir. We can collect all their responses together. That is also one. We can say one use of that spreadsheet.
Yeah, go ahead. Yes, go ahead. Five, I mean 5 uses.
Okay. Spreadsheet uses of spreadsheets means here we can collect all students responses together. So we use spreadsheets for the result making and all.
But only that very benefit? Any four? You tell me 5.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. No issues. Thank you, Amari. Rajesh sir, you can take now.
Dr. Khalid, keep going. I will just be joining you in 5 minutes.
Okay, no issues. Let's call another now.
Excuse me, sir. I'm Mrs. Sheetal Khilare because I found I made as a co-host. So is it called for me because I lost my connection? That's why I'm not able to hear. So may I present?
Dr. Khalid called the name of 3 people, so I made them the co-host. Even
Yes, I'm there, sir. So that's why I asked only. Yesterday also I requested. So if you wish, I can present.
Khalid, you decide.
No, let's first call Mehul Vora. She's in queue. If she is present, she can present.
Okay,
Yes,
thank you.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Mehul
Okay.
Vora.
After Mehul, sir, I will do. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mehul is available. Mehul is available.
Yes, sir, available.
Okay, then we can go ahead then with Mehul.
Okay,
Sir.
go ahead.
Okay, please.
Sir, I want to share my screen.
Yeah, sure.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes, it is visible. You can go ahead.
Okay. Welcome to 15th National Maths Convention 2022 in paper presentation. My topic is use of ICT in teaching mathematics. Myself, Mehul Irabai Vora. I am working as a principal in Gujarat in primary school. It is a government primary school. First of all, what is technology? Means the application of scientific knowledge to the practical aims of human life. And we know that means technology, using technology, our human life is become so easy. Some of the examples we know that washing machine, dryer, refrigerator, cars, etc. And the ICT, full form of ICT is information communication technology, which refers to technologies that provide access to information through telecommunication. These are the examples: electronic textbooks, instructional software, email, chat, distance learning programs. And in the context of mathematics, ICT and the new technology will refer to graphical calculators and computers, together with applications such as spreadsheets, graphic packages, algebra, and geometry systems. Students can use ICT as a tool to perform calculations, draw graphs, and help solve problems. The most obvious example of using ICT in this way is when students use a calculator or something like that to perform more challenging numbers. We know that students nowadays computer is a necessity, and students, most of the students easily use their cell phones and similarly computers. These are the some mathematical softwares. Some of the examples are Microsoft Mathematics, Geogebra, Photomath, Maple, Mathematica, MATLAB, Spec Mathematics for trigonometry problems. GeoGebra. I have working on this GeoGebra in class 8, and this Geo stands for geometry, Zebra stands for algebra. GeoGebra, which is a mathematical software, helps to teach geometry and algebra. simultaneously. Students can understand are connected. Some of the difficult topics are also easily of. Sir, is it visible?
Yes, go ahead, please.
Okay, sir. Advantages of ICT in mathematics are students can use ICT as a tool to perform calculations, draw graphs, and help solve problems. Using ICT to visualize concepts, interact with formulae, personalized presentation. It attracts students' interest in learning mathematics. जैसा कि सर ज्यादातर हम सब जानते हैं कि मैथ्स इज ऐसा मैंने सुना है, और ज्यादातर जो नॉन मैथ्स टीचर्स है उन्होंने ऐसा बताया कि सबसे पहले ही टीचर ऐसा बोल देते हैं कि ध्यान से यहाँ पे ध्यान रखो क्योंकि मैथ्स इज अ हार्ड सब्जेक्ट. सो द एट प्राइमरी लेवल द बेसिकली इट इज बाय टीचर्स. ये टीचर्स के द्वारा ही बच्चों के दिमाग में ऐसा गलत बोल दिया जाता है कि ये हार्ड सब्जेक्ट है, तो वो मेंटली वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाते हैं. तो इट अट्रैक्ट स्टूडेंट्स इंटरेस्ट इन लर्निंग मैथमेटिक्स यूजिंग आईसीटी. बच्चे जो है उनका इसमें इंटरेस्ट बढ़ता है. इट इंक्रीजेस देयर मोटिवेशन एंड परफॉर्मेंस. इट एनकरेजेस लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्निंग एंड इट फैसिलिटेट्स positive interactions and relationships. Students using calculator and computers are able to work at higher level of generalization and abstraction. Research indicates that by use of technology, students are able to learn more mathematics more deeply. Students spend productive time developing strategies for solving complex problems. Most of the important advantages is develop a deep understanding of the various maths topics, increase higher level thinking skills using technology, and increase motivation and interest in students. Thank you, sir.
Meherji, just you
Yes,
given high complete theory part of it, and you also accepted this ICT as a tool.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes.
Then what are the classes you have been teaching now? Could you please tell us which
Yes,
class
sir.
you are teaching?
I am teaching in 8th standard.
Each standard.
8th standard. Yes, sir.
Have you developed anything in that? Only use it in any particular topic you use it in the classroom?
Yes,
because
sir.
you again given a theory. See, ICT
Yes, sir.
as a tool, ICT as a tool accepted.
Yes,
Teacher
sir.
plays the role. So any topic which you have done and made the children understand and
Yes, sir.
create an interest, please tell us. That only we wanted to know.
Yes,
Please.
sir. Sir, I am using Geogebra. So using Geogebra, I am in 8th standard. Even in 6th and 7th standard, Geogebra is a mathematical software, and it is particularly I have done the geometry portion.
No, please tell geometry portion is the most. Which portion concretely you speak? Clear idea.
Yes, sir. The basic
algebra, we will prefer algebra because geometry, most of the people yesterday they are referring geometry. What you have done in particular algebra, we'd like to know about it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Please
Yes,
tell
sir.
us.
सर बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट जैसे सर बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट है ज्योमेट्री में के पॉइंट, लाइन, रे, पॉलीगॉन, these are the basic concept. And using GeoGebra software, when I am teaching, then simultaneously geometry and algebra both are connected, so students can understand, visualize that how the polygon looks like even in 3D dimension. Even 3D dimension, they visualize that what is a square and the cube, difference between square and cube, difference between rectangle and cuboid, basic concept of geometry. Sir, I have also some sir थोड़ी ऐसे बनाया हुआ है lecture something that
क्या आपने बनाया है वही तो हम पूछ रहे हैं
सर
वही पर कुछ बनाया है कुछ कौन सा टॉपिक बनाया आपने वो हम सुनने के लिए हम चाहते हैं.
सर जैसे ज्योमेट्री में क्यूब आता है उसकी 6 सरफेसेस होती है, और 8th स्टैंडर्ड के अंदर आता है कि जो भी मतलब सॉलिड होते हैं तो वो सॉलिड को रोटेट करके हम देख सकते हैं कि कैसे ऊपर से साइड में से कैसे दिखेगा. तो वो जियोजेब्रा के अंदर मैंने बनाया हुआ है, उसकी शीट बनाई हुई है कि वो उस हिसाब से वो पूरा रोटेट करके देख सकते हैं और बच्चे जान सकते हैं कि कैसे वो ऊपर से दिखेगा नीचे. नो डाउट अपने वैसे भी दिखा सकते हैं प्रैक्टिकली, लेकिन उसके अंदर हम डिटेल में दिखा सकते हैं. उसके अंदर वो बच्चा मेन उसका बेसिक समझेगा कि कैसे वो ज्योमेट्री इज कनेक्टेड विथ अलजेब्रा. जैसे कि सर उसका मैंने थोड़ा ज्यादा नहीं थोड़ा उसका स्टडी किया है, तो उसमें 9th से लेकर 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक की भी ज्योमेट्री उसने कवर की हुई है. जियोजेब्रा सॉफ्टवेयर तो बहुत कुछ कवर करता है, लेकिन राइट नाउ आई एम वर्किंग ऑन ज्योमेट्री। तो जैसे 9th स्टैंडर्ड में सर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर इक्वेशन आता है लीनियर इक्वेशन, और 10th स्टैंडर्ड में आता है क्रॉस, मतलब व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ 2 लीनियर इक्वेशन। तो उसके कोऑर्डिनेट भी वो दिखाता है, लाइन जैसे ही ड्रॉ करेंगे तो उसका इक्वेशन साथ में बन जाता है, ग्राफिकल व्यू और एल्जेब्रिक व्यू। तो उसके दोनों पैरेलल ही चलता है, तो बच्चों को हम वो सिखा सकते हैं, समझा सकते हैं।
Okay.
मेहुल जी
यस सर, यस
नमस्कार।
सर, नमस्कार, नमस्कार सर,
Thank you.
थैंक यू सर,
Sir,
नमस्कार, नमस्कार
okay.
ठाकुर सर।
अभी ठाकुर साहब आप
नहीं, आप-
आगे। हाँ, ठीक है सर।
कोई जियोजेब्रा का आप एप्लीकेशंस के बारे में बात कर रहे थे कि आप 3 डायमेंशंस से उसके फेसेस एजेस दिखा सकते हैं। क्योंकि आप क्लास 8 में जियोजेब्रा पढ़ा रहे हैं, तो क्लास 8 में जो लीनियर इक्वेशन या फिर उसका जो क्यूब का जो इक्वेशन है उसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं, या फिर आप सर्कल बना रहे हैं, तो उसका जो 2 डायमेंशनल ज्योमेट्रिकल इंटरप्रिटेशन वो करता है, वो आप क्लास 8 में नहीं पढ़ाएंगे। तो क्या आपने जो बनाया हुआ है 3 डायमेंशंस में क्यूब के उसके सरफेस को, और उसका नेट डायग्राम इजीली हो जाता है, तो आप नेट डायग्राम यदि आपने बना रखा हो तो नेट डायग्राम हमें दिखाएं।
डेफिनेटली सर, डेफिनेटली, प्लीज सर, प्लीज गिव मी अ मिनट सर, प्लीज।
अच्छा, जियोजेब्रा के अलावा कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करते हैं? और मान लीजिए आपको कंस्ट्रक्शन पढ़ाना हो।
यस सर, लेकिन राइट नाउ सर आई एम ओनली जियोजेब्रा, यूजिंग जियोजेब्रा सॉफ्टवेयर, बिकॉज सर हमारे वहाँ जो मतलब जो गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू जो मिला हुआ है हमें प्रोजेक्टर, और वो नो डाउट इसके दूसरे सॉफ्टवेयर भी यूज कर सकते हैं सर, लेकिन मैं अभी राइट नाउ आई एम वर्किंग ऑन जियोजेब्रा बिकॉज एवरीथिंग।
जियोजेब्रा में आपको क्या क्या आता है?
सर बेसिक जो ज्योमेट्री का बेसिक है सर, मैं क्या ये दिखा सकता हूँ?
हाँ दिखाइए, आपको स्क्रीन।
सर इज इट विजिबल सर?
नहीं, अभी तक आपका स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हुआ।
ओके ओके, जस्ट अ मिनट सर। सर इज इट विजिबल?
इसका
सर
स्लाइड।
यस सर, यस सर, सर इज इट विजिबल?
यस यस।
ओके, तो सर इसमें इसमें पूरा थोड़ा मैंने स्टडी करके कि जैसे कि ये पॉइंट यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, तो अगर जो ये मैंने बनाया हुआ है कि जैसे क्यूब को कैसे वो 8th स्टैंडर्ड में इवन प्राइमरी सेक्शन में आता ही है कि कैसे वो पूरा क्यूब कैसे बना हुआ है, वो उसकी 6 सरफेसेस होती है, वो उसको ये ओपन करके दिखा रहा है, तो बच्चे इसको विजुअलाइज कर सकते हैं।
नहीं, आपने इसमें नया क्या किया है ये मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, क्योंकि ये तो आप क्यूब आप एक्स एक्सिस वाई एक्सिस पे आप 3 पॉइंट्स ले लें और क्यूब पे बटन पे क्लिक करें, वो क्यूब बना देगा।
यस सर,
वो नेट खुद ही बना देता है यदि आप नेट डायग्राम पे क्लिक करें। आपने अपने तरफ से क्या किया है ये जानना था मुझे।
सर आई एम सॉरी टू से सर, मैं अभी ये स्टडी कर रहा हूँ, तो इसलिए बच्चे को पहले तो सर ये प्राइमरी लेवल में हमारे गुजराती मीडियम में के बच्चे हैं, तो मैंने इसमें इंग्लिश मीडियम को कैसे उसको कन्वर्ट करके उनको समझाया जाए, मैं अभी स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे हूँ।
अच्छा, ठीक है
ओके,
क्योंकि ये सारी चीजें बनी होती है, वो तो क्लिक करें आपको वो डायग्राम बना के उसके नेट
यस
डायग्राम,
सर, यस सर,
उसका रोटेशन, वो सब कुछ हो
हाँ
जाता है।
वो यस सर, मैं ये यूट्यूब पे सर्च करके सब ये स्टडी करके ऐसे बनाया हुआ है।
ठीक
ओके ओके, थैंक यू सर। दूसरे भी इस तरह से वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर।
मुकुल साहब जो कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं ऐसा ही वो फिजिकली क्लासरूम में लेकर आके क्यूब बना के बच्चों को दिखा सकते हैं।
यस
इतना
सर, डेफिनेटली।
फेसेस है, इतना है ओपन के 6
यस सर,
squares can be drawn, can be folded and shown as a cube. Virtually they can, instead of seeing on the net or anything like that, you can see them very much in the physically the children can verify it. I would like to suggest that one, please. ठीक है, thank you.
ओके ओके,
Khalid साहब, आप आपके
Yeah, I had one question.
Yes, sir.
In your presentation, you have mentioned research showed that this ICT tool increase the cognitive or the critical thinking of the child. Can you tell me the volume number of that very journal? Volume number or the author who has mentioned that? In your presentation, you have mentioned, right?
Yes, sir.
Which research had mentioned this? Any author?
Sir,
Any author? Journal name? Volume number?
sorry, sir.
Okay, no issues. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
In that case, we'll go for the next person, Kalisa. Who has come next?
Yeah, sure. Let me call.
Parveen Parmar has come.
I think the third is Sheetal Kilakari. Is she there?
Sheetal, okay. Sheetal, 12.
Yes, sir.
Number 12.
Yeah,
Am I
is she
audible,
there?
sir?
Available.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you are
one request to all the participants over here.
Yes, sir.
Don't spend too much time in introducing the presentation, because I had seen 2 or 3 participants who has presented their paper. They are very much focusing on the theoretical part. We are here to see the practical application
Correct, very
that you are using in your classroom. We are not interested in the theoretical part, the use of ICT. I will be doing this. What you already have done, that we need to see whether the impact of the ICT, or because most of the candidates are using the topic use of ICT in mathematics. What is your take? How the ICTs have enabled you to communicate with your students in a way that you have not witnessed in the past?
Yes.
So we are merely
Interested.
we are merely focused on the applications part, not the theoretical part. So spend 7 minutes only in giving us the outlay or view of the thing that you use in your class, how you use, and what is the impact of applying that software in your class.
Yes,
So
sir.
skip the theoretical part that the application is this. So skip the theoretical part and just jump on the conclusion.
Yes, sir. May I present, sir?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mrs. Sheetal Sanjay Khilare from Vidya Pratishthan English Medium School, Vidyanagari, Baramati. And first of all, I would like to say thank you to the Ramanujan Club, because they are giving us such a golden opportunity to present our papers here. So my topic is the use of ICT in the mathematics. So I'm mainly focusing on whatever the tools we use. So first thing, I will tell you few objects, that is how it is increased the interest in the subject, then understanding the mathematics visually, even it increases the creativity among the students, even it helps to adapt the 21st century skills, even it helpful for the future planning, and to help the concept very playful manner. So first thing, this is my simple presentation. So when our pandemic situation occurs, so that time first we started with the Google Classroom, and we conducted the Google Meet, and by using that only we started by conducting the simple small activity. So this is the first we used. Then whatever the work has done by the child, so they are presenting or they are submitting on our classroom. So in this manner we are completed that. And this is very interesting app, that is as just now I observed in one my colleague has presented her presentation. Sir has asked about the how you can present them virtually. So this is very good app to present us virtually, that is augmented reality, that is Erlupa, that app is there. So if just a second only, I will present through that app. So how exactly we can show them visually. So just this is just my first thing. I hope it is visible. 1 minute, sir. I will show only. So whatever the pictures are there, so we can show them visually. Means, for example, if you go for any picture, for example, if you go for the different kinds of figure, like a cone is there, or even a cube is there, rectangle is there. So how we exactly show them in the visually? We can go with the class with the different models also, but along with that, how we can exactly show them that virtual augmented reality? So I will show here in just a second. Yes. So this is one simple and beautiful app. So we can show them. So this is, I purposely kept one paper so you can see this. So this is the 3-dimensional structure. We can show them even like this way. We can hold them in 3-dimensional. We can take them up, down. So this is a cube. Even many shapes are here like square, circle, even triangle, cylinder. So like this way. So this is one beautiful app we can use and show them the virtual augmented reality. Then afterward, in our school, we are using the Tata classes. So we already assigned for the Tata classes. So in that, our study material is also available. So we use that study material also to teach the mathematics. Even another app application is there, that is a Geogebra. So I just teach the primary classes. So simply we are using this Geogebra also to show the point, segment, line, like this way, simple figures. Then again, one Jamboard activity is there. So this activity also I shared with the students, and I'm sharing with them, and they are showing their things. Just a second, I will show that also, so the students' responses. Yes, so this is the student SMS. Miss, simple example I given, welcome to the class, and all pictures were given, and they have to identify which is a circle, which different kinds of shapes do they have. So like this way, they also drawn and they observed. So like this way, we can go with the Jamboard. This is also simple and very beautiful app. So students can work with a playful manner. And this is the certificates we are giving to the students also, even feedbacks also there. How exactly they like that whatever the test we are conducted by using the Google form, the appreciation we are giving, and that's it. And this is the last point, that is my conclusion. So when you use the ICT tools, it's a very effective way of teaching in this digital age. It assists in improving the comprehension level of the students. It also increases the students among the different things and ideas and concept in an innovative manner. Even it helps to engage the level of students, and also helpful for many things like spreadsheet, algebra and all. Even this tool is also used in better comprehension and innovation. And as I told you, so means we have to encourage the students, if it is a small or big, for the future planning in the mathematics, in the gaming, astrology, space science and artificial intelligence. This is some references I have already taken from this. And the last acknowledgement. So I would like to thank our principal ma'am to support and encourage us. And last, thank you to Sadhna Miss. She is guiding us always. And I would like to thank you, Ramanujan AIRMC Club of India, that mathematics clubs, to encourage and conduct this kind of good competition, and appreciate to the all teachers and all. And thank you very much, sir. And this is from my side, sir.
Good afternoon, Madam. Thakur Sahab has very clearly has been telling that what you have made in the classrooms, how you made it effective learning and all. And you're telling artificial intelligence and all. And then you are also telling about the comprehension ability increases. In what way you are telling? The language used in the net and all, very high proficient language. How are you able to help them out to understand? In what way you are telling that it increases the comprehension skills?
Yes, sir. Actually, just now I shown about the Jamboard activity. So in that Jamboard activities, I'm giving them different kinds of structures, figures. Even I shown just now by using the virtual augmented reality. So that models and all. So we are asking them, what do you think about that particular circle? Means suppose if you show the circle to them, we ask them, and by using the that notes, they are writing what they think about that. So in this manner, they are increasing their comprehension level. So they are writing. And
can you show me some of the work done by you in your classroom, and how do you teach? Take one example.
That's what we wanted. You are also teaching same thing. What they have been done in the classroom, not referring the site. You are very absent.
Okay,
Madam, please.
Yes, sir. Miss, I said just now when I talk about the different kinds of shape, means if some simple example.
Don't say anything. Show us. How
Sorry,
do you?
Ma'am,
show us how do you use the software that you are just naming.
That Alrupa app, that is that Alrupa app only, sir. Augmented reality, that models are there now. So in real images we can.
That app might be with you. So you just
yes.
show us. Consider us, the student of your class, and show us and teach us.
Yes, sir. So I asked them to bring the different kinds of structures. What Miss simply, sir, just now I'm showing them pictures, even 3D models also I'm showing by virtually. Along with that, Miss teacher should not stay with the one particular material. So we are asking them also bring the materials.
Show us.
Sorry, pardon, Miss. The word I'm not getting exactly what you said, sir.
Show us the software, the working, and all the thing that you uses in your class. We are the student of your classroom.
Yeah, yes, sir. We are showing.
Yeah. Show us how do you demonstrate the same thing in your classroom.
Yes, that only I'm telling. Suppose if I show the cone, we are showing them that birthday cap as a cone shape. The ball we are showing.
Are you not bringing anything to the classroom? That's why we are what you have used in the classroom. He is asking that part that we want to make clear. Anything particularly you have brought to the class, we'll be able to show it now in front of us, thinking as we are students. That's what he is asking again and again. Please.
Okay.
Yeah, we want your contribution in the classroom.
Okay, that means, sir, my topic is using of ICT, so that's why I shown that real augmented virtual images. So that is the 3D things they can able to see and understand. Sorry. Am I clear, sir? Or I don't know what exactly you're asking.
Kalisa, you can, your turn now. You can ask, sir, please. Mine is over already. Dr. Khalil?
You have mentioned Geogebra and other tools also. Can we use Geogebra in the arithmetic portion, algebra portion in the classroom?
Sir, I'm just talking about the simple basic concept, that is a point and all. I have not explored more about that Geogebra. Actually, many applications are there in that, but I have just used that simple applications, that point, line, segments, and different kinds of structures. I use that and I shown. So just now I shown picture. Even I'm having that app also now.
Ma'am, I have some submission to make. My simple question to all of the participants who are still left to present their paper is, first, we are less bothered about the theoretical part because it is available on the net. First question.
Yes.
Second, that how the software, the ICT tools that you are using in the classroom have made impact on the student. I am very much interested in seeing the practical application of the software that you use in the classroom and how it has impacted into your classroom. We are very much
interested to know about it, correct?
On that. The theoretical part that I have been seeing since morning, means, because you are probably the third or fourth participant of today's paper presentation. I haven't seen any paper presentation done by you all that has made any impact on my mind that yes, that is the thing I am looking at.
We wanted that one.
To be very frank, I am not interested in learning the theoretical part. You just show me the practical application, use the software, considering us your student, whatever you use in your classroom in the virtual way, show us that yes, I am using this way and this is the way of how I teach in my classroom. And what is the impact factor?
What is the effective learning? Whether effective learning has taken place or not, that we wanted to know about it. That's the thing.
Whether before using the ICT technology, how were you feeling and what changes have been made in your teaching?
Correct.
After using the technology, and if we are the student of your class, how will you start the class? These are the things we are looking at. To be very frank to all the participants.
The remaining two are there. Let them actually Tell
Show
us,
us the working of yours in classroom.
Oh, so that only I'm showing, sir, here. So whatever that Jamboard was there, na, so it is shared with the students, and students are writing that.
Ma'am, show us. We are the students. Share the screen.
Okay.
Teach us the way you teach in your class.
So this is the Jamboard, sir. I have prepared. Just a second. I think I have not shared the screen. 1 second. I will share. 1 minute. So this is the Jamboard, sir. I have already shared with the students. Just a second. I will show you here. So it was made to available to the all students. So like this way, students' names are here. So I shared with them, and they return these all the things. Means I shared only this center picture. So identify, observe the pictures and identify the shape. And these are the stick notes. The students has written only. So in this manner, we are involving the students. Means first, this is also one picture I added here, and these are the different things they written. Students has written only. So we are sharing these with the students in the form of link only. Just now I shown in the reference also. So that links we are sharing with the students, and students are doing only these things. We just share this picture only, center picture, and they are writing their own only, identifying the different kinds of shape, writing the names and all the things. Same things with the this I also shown in the PPT also. The fraction and all. Just yesterday you asked about the pizza, means how fraction will be there. So similar manner, I just used the Oreo biscuit, that white and black color cream Oreo biscuits, to show them the fractions. Just a second. Yes, here. So like this way, the whole fraction and all like this way. So in class also they are showing, even first we talk, then show, explain, then they perform, and in the online class they show us that all the things. So like this way.
Okay, ma'am, I have got your point. Khalid, call the next participant.
Okay. Thank you,
Yeah,
Sheetalji.
the next participant is Gori Kolpe.
Thank you, sir.
Is he
Thank
there?
you very much.
Yes, sir. I'm here. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible. You can present.
Okay.
Gauri Kilpe, what is it?
Yes, yes. I'm
That's
here.
wonderful. Okay. Please go ahead, madam.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Sir, is my screen visible?
Yeah, it is visible.
Very
You
much,
can.
very much.
Gauri,
Yes.
name?
Sir,
Yes.
sorry, sir. Gauri Kope, it is not my name. Actually, my mail ID is there with Gauri
No
Kope.
problem, no problem. Don't show us the theoretical part.
Yes,
We are
yes.
very much interested in the way you use the ICT in your classroom.
Yes, yes, sir. Just a minute. Shall I start, sir?
Please, what are the classes you are teaching? Please tell us. Class.
Primary section, 2nd standard.
Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank to All India Ramanujan Maths Club for giving me this opportunity. I'm Jaya Chetan Kolpe from Vidya Pratishthan English Medium School, Baramati. My topic is use of ICT in teaching mathematics. Objectives: to use ICT for effective and appropriate communication. ICT can enhance the quality of education in several ways. So, sir, in our school, in pandemic situation, online classes were not there. So in that period, we have prepared pre-recorded videos for students to give them a feel of real classroom. All these videos helped me a lot. Earlier, we used to take them in maths lab for doing activity, but due to pandemic situation, we could not do that. So this was a try to overcome this gap. I teach mathematics to class 2. Sir, I want to show here one video. Shall I?
Well, that video is prepared by you. That's
yes,
why.
yes.
Please,
I have
please.
prepared that video.
Kindly don't refer any site. We want what
No,
actually.
sir, no, sir. I have prepared that. I have used my own videos are there.
Okay, but that's why you wanted.
Yes.
Which, yes.
Thank you, sir.
Please go ahead. What is shown?
Yes, yes. Sir, is my video visible here?
When the statement has come, the video has not come. Please
Okay.
go ahead.
Just a minute. Sir, is it visible now?
Nothing is come.
Sir, is it audible and visible?
No, subtraction it's shown. That's all. Nothing. Audio is not there.
Audio?
It's not audible, madam. It's not audible. You're not able to hear.
Okay.
25. Both numbers are 2 digits. Okay. Now each 41. 1 is at ones place and 4 is at tens place. So
Shall I run this video, sir?
Go ahead, madam. Go ahead. Please go ahead.
Okay.
It's not audible, but please go ahead.
how many strips are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3. So we will cut these 4 and write here number 3. Why we have it a 3? Because here 3 strips are remaining. Okay. Now this 110 we have taken borrow from tens place to ones place. Now we will replace this strip by taking 10 ones. Why? Last time we have seen 110 is equal to 10 ones. Okay. So we will take here 10 blocks. Let's see. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Now we will take out this strip. In that 10 ones, we have to add this one block also. Okay. Now after adding 10 and this one block becomes 11. So we will cut this 2. We have to subtract 5 from 11. Subtraction means what? We have to take away smaller number. So from these blocks, we will take away 5 blocks. Okay. Let us start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now here we have taken 5 blocks away. Now, how many blocks are remaining here? Let us count. 1, 2. Understood? Now, we will subtract tens place. Which place? Tens place. Now, observe. At tens place, 3 is there and 2. So, from 3, we have to subtract 2. So, we will take away how many strips? Yes, we will take away 2 strips. Let us start. 1 and 2. Now, observe. At tens place, how many strips are there? Yes, 1. So, at tens place, we get answer 1 and it becomes 16. All of you understood this subtraction?
Sir, one more video is there. Shall I present?
That is about what? This is subtraction. Anything that about
Yes, subtraction and
next
I have
next
used
concept.
the
What is
ICT tools.
huh?
In another video, I have used ICT tools.
No, which one about the concept? Which concept? This is subtraction. That one.
Subtraction, borrowing is there.
Subtraction already shown a way to show them. I think it is.
Yes, yes.
You're telling, can you tell me the another synonym for subtraction? Subtraction means what? If anyone asks what the answer will give.
Subtraction means we have to take away smaller number from the greater number. We have to cut.
Take away. Okay. Any other word? Take away then?
Take away or we can cut.
Remove, we can say remove. And at least you have made the benches for the tens and units. That's good. That is made an effect. Have you used it actually in the classrooms, this one?
Yes, actually,
Okay.
online classes were not there, sir. That time I have sent this video to students. Students were referring that videos.
Oh, you made it and they made a video and sent across. Okay.
Sir, one more video is there I want to show.
Thank you.
because there
Just
I have
discuss
used-
better.
Yeah,
I don't know
just a
now.
minute,
I
sir.
don't-
Thank you, sir.
Kalisa, should we see another video? Time up.
Yeah,
time
yeah.
up.
If that can
Okay.
finish in 1 minute, then that
Okay.
is okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Gauri madam, go ahead,
Yes,
please.
yes, 1 minute, sir. So it is taking time, just a minute. Sir, is it visible?
Yes, very much, English medium school, Vidyanagari, please. Tell me.
Morning, students.
Shall I run, sir, this part?
Studied word
Go ahead, madam, go ahead. Continue, madam, continue your talk, please.
First, given things. What is given? Out of the 52 students in a class means total number of students. So we will write here number of students in a class 52. Next, what is given? 28 are girls. So we have to write here number of girls in a class 28. Okay. Next, we have to write decided operation. See here, how many boys are there in the class? Means we have to find out total number of boys. So we will write here decided operation subtraction. Okay. Now we will put this number in columns. First, number of students in a class 52. Solving this example, we will use here base 10 hit. In 52, 2 is present at 1's place, at 10's place. Which number is there? 5. So we have to take 5 tens strip. Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we have to subtract 1's place number. 2 minus 8. Is it possible? No. Why? Because 2 is less than 8. So what we have to do? We have to take 1 10 from 10's place to 1's place. Now observe at 10's place. How many steps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to cut here 5 and write upside 4. Okay. Now we will replace 110 by taking 10 ones. Why we are doing like this way, you know? Last time we have studied 110 is equal to how many ones? Yes, 10 ones. In 10 ones, we have to add this 12. So what we have to do? We have to cut here 2 and write upside 12. Okay, understood? We have to write here 12. Now 12 minus 8, it is possible. So we have to take away 8 blocks from 12 blocks. Understood? Let us start. 1, 8. Now observe at 1's place, how many blocks are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So at 1's place, we get number 4. Okay. Now 10's place, we have to take away 2 strips. Means 4 minus 2, we have to take away 2 strips. Let us see. 1, 2. So at 10's place, we get number 2. Okay, and it becomes 24. Now we will write answer in words. Let us see how to write. Okay. Thus, there are 24 boys in the class. All of you understood this?
Khalid, Dr. Khalid, sir?
Sir, just a minute. Shall I present my PPT again?
No, Dr. His time is up. Dr. Khalid?
Okay, time is up. Time is up, ma'am.
Sir, okay. I want to tell you here which ICT tools I have used in this video for making this video. This little part is remaining.
Okay, sure.
Yeah,
Sure.
thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Sorry, sir.
Thank you so much. Okay, fine. I think some effort has been made by you and for the interaction. Okay, fine.
Yes, both video I have prepared.
Okay, we have seen it. We have seen it. Okay, fine. Dr. Saab, can we go for the next one? Khalid Saab?
Yeah, I think.
You can find Parveen Parmar?
Yeah, I think no.
No one
If,
else, sir.
is there Akhtar Haturkar or Minal Haryan? Is there Akhtar Haturkar or Minal Haryan in the group? Sir, I think they are not present in the group, and they were the yesterday's candidates. I think let's close it here, right?
No, yesterday those two people did not turn up.
Yeah.
We cannot entertain them
They are
today.
not
No.
present today also. They are not present today also.
No. We told them also that they will not be allowed today since they were absent yesterday. I think these then today only 4 only then.
Yeah.
Four only. Then in that case, we can say a word of thanks to people, and Rajesh Thakurji, he can complete the paper presentation, then we can decide.
Yes, sir. Can we conclude here, sir?
Yeah, Dr. Sir?
Talk, sir, I think he is not present here. He is busy in another meeting, I think.
Oh, to 2:30 already. Okay. Then nobody is present. Today also we have seen only 4 people only today also.
Yeah, sir.
But then you can wind up then. No more. Parveen Parmar has not come, means maths in NEP.
Yeah.
That is a good actually topic, mathematics in NEP. But he's not seen, means what to do then.
Okay, let's conclude it here. Okay, sir?
Yeah?
Let's conclude it here.
We can conclude. Thank you for all the participants who have made a paper presentation. We can now, Sunny also there, who is actually managing now.
Sunny is there? Is Sunny there?
खालिद भाई बहुत अच्छा सर अच्छा रहा सर
आगे I think paper presentation today also 4 people only.
Bhanumurthy sir, I am listening. I am listening to all the
Sunny sir. Yesterday's 2 participants they didn't come today also. So let's wind it here, right?
हाँ तो इंतजार नहीं करना मैंने वो जरूर डाला था कि यदि वो आ जाते हैं तो उनको ले लेंगे अगर नहीं आए तो हमने घर थोड़ी जाना है सर
ठीक है and thank you to all the participants who presented their contribution.
Parveen Parwar also has not come. I think we can wind up that case. Sunny साहब
हाँ टोटल कितने हुए खालिद सर टोटल कितने कैंडिडेट हुए
टोटल पे हमारे पास 13 कैंडिडेट्स और 13 में से 3 नहीं आ गए तो 10 ने प्रेजेंट किया है
ठीक है
So there are only 10 people then.
वो रिजल्ट आप कर देना वो करके वो सर को कर देना
वो मैं
ठाकुर सर को
भेज ही दूंगा कोई इशू नहीं
ठाकुर सर को दे दो ओके
Only 10 people now. How many we wanted? First 2, 3 rank? How many?
First 3 sir first 3
okay fine.
ठाकुर सर एक मिनट ठाकुर सर सुन रहे हैं सर
वो अभी मीट में
और किसी और मीटिंग में है शायद इस वक्त तो
कोई बात नहीं सर आप पहले 4 भेज दीजिए सर को फोर्थ कंसोलेशन प्राइज पहले 3 देख लेंगे 4 भेज दीजिए अगर उनको 3 रखने हो 3 ही रख लेंगे
ओके सर कोई इशू नहीं
कंसोलेशन यू वांट टू कीप only one
यस ओनली वन यस नो अगर सर ने चाहा कि अब सभी को देना है कंसोलेशन 3 के अलावा तो वो सर खुद डिसाइड कर देंगे पहले 3 तो उनको चाहिए
ठीक है first 3 okay fine okay then thank you I'll discuss with the colleagues sir and then finalize okay and then we'll send across a message to you and inform Thakurji also okay only 2:35 by 3 I think you may be getting it then
okay sir 3 बजे तक भेज दीजिए ताकि वो सर अपलोड कर दें और फिर 4 बजे वैलिडिटी फंक्शन में हम सब
जरूर वो तो आराम से अनाउंस कर सकते हैं बहुत धन्यवाद जी और चर्चा होगा कम से कम 1:30 बजे तो शुरू किए हैं ठीक है जी थैंक यू सर Thank you. We are always available with the people. No problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. जब्बार साहब देख रहे हैं कुछ प्रोग्राम है क्या भी सनी साहब और कुछ प्रोग्राम
लास्ट है सर सभी का रिजल्ट्स अपडेट हो गए हैं सर सभी के रिजल्ट आ गए हैं सिर्फ यही पेपर प्रेजेंटेशन रहता था
ठीक है हम कर देंगे अभी कर देंगे ठीक है
ये अपलोड हो जाएगा क्योंकि बाकी सारे इवेंट कल हो चुके थे।
वो तो हम रिजल्ट देखा हूँ, मैं रिजल्ट देखा हूँ।
एक सीनियर
रिजल्ट
क्विज
का
आज
कुछ
सुबह।
रिजल्ट का नाम कुछ गड़बड़ है, ऐसा भी थोड़ा बता देंगे उनको। कुछ
किसको?
केरला से कुछ मनीषा का कुछ भेजी है, मैं बाद में पूछ
स्पेलिंग में
लेता हूँ।
मिस्टेक है सर, स्पेलिंग में मिस्टेक है उनके क्या?
स्पेलिंग का मिस्टेक है, पर कल कुछ फर्स्ट प्राइज था, अभी 3 हो गया, ऐसा कुछ
नहीं
बोल
नहीं
रहे
नहीं
मत।
सर, एक्चुअल में ऐसा नहीं है। वो पहले जो फर्स्ट राउंड में था,
सर
फर्स्ट
वो
राउंड में,
गलत पोस्ट हो गया था सनी सर।
हाँ वो गलत पोस्ट
वो
था, मुझे वही कह रहा हूँ। हाँ।
प्री इसका पोस्ट हो गया था। फाइनल में सेकेंड राउंड में वो दूसरे को दिया था हम लोगों ने। वी वर
तभी सर हमने थोड़ी देर के लिए जो रिजल्ट था, ठाकुर सर ने रिमूव कर दिया था ब्लॉग से। फिर हमने वापस उसको सर को कहा, सर ने वापस अपलोड कर दिया है सर। अभी मैंने सारे ग्रुप्स में मैसेजेस डाल दिए हैं।
ओके ओके, तो ये अब गड़बड़ नहीं होना, क्योंकि वो चिंता करेंगे ना, कोई
नहीं
भी
नहीं, अब
किसको
नहीं।
मिला है ना,
मेरे
वही
को
तो
उनका फोन भी आया था सर, मैंने उनको क्लियर कर दिया सर।
क्लियर कर दिया। अच्छा हो गया, हमने कहा मैंने ठीक है, मैं पेपर प्रेजेंटेशन हूँ, मैं फिर बातचीत करूंगा। अच्छा हो गया आपने लाइन पे ये बात है, आपने सुन लिया। और
ओके सर,
ये
थैंक यू
प्रॉब्लम
थैंक
सॉल्व हो गया ना, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होना जरूरी है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं होना चाहिए। ठीक है जी,
थैंक
थैंक यू।
यू।
ओके फाइन, so I leave now. Okay, fine.